Chris? What's wrong?
I gotta go to toilet. I'm going back to terminal.
No, Chris, you can just get on the plane. Airplanes also have toilet inside, you silly.
Huh? They do?
No wonder it's your first time flying. Of course they do.
Thanks, Jenny. Then, how do they clean up those excrements while it's flying? Do they just dump them in the air?
There were some people thinking just like you. Let me tell you an interesting story.
Okay, just make it quick.
Around 1990s, in cities near Gimpo Airport, something weird happened.
Huh? What is this on my favorite blanket? Are those from birds?
What on earth is this? My new car!
Oh god, maybe it is the waste dumped by airplanes.
We've gotta do something about this! Do you really think those were from airplanes? Dumping people's waste in the air?
I don't know. What else can that be?
Watch this.
Bees?
Yup. Based on those complaints, Korean government and Boeing worked together to figure this out. Those were from bees. This was happening due to the similarity of excrements between bees and humans.
Then how do airplanes actually dump those excrements?
I'll tell you how it works. This is the honey truck. It has a role of feces disposal in airplanes. It is named honey because the color of human feces is similar to the honey. When the airplanes land on the airport, lots of ground vehicles, including honey truck, help the airplanes prepare for next flights.
Over there, the white one, right?
Yes, actually most of steps worked automatically, removing all the human waste within 10 minutes. But still, it has to be connected manually.
Oh god.
You should lock it tight or else you'd be in trouble.
Okay, I might be in trouble very soon.
Toilet is over there.
Thanks, Jenny. Thank you so much, honey truck.